Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in Venmo. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So to get logged in into your Venmo account, all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.venmo.com. Once you type this URL in, you will end up in the official website of Venmo. Once you are in this kind of interface, all you need to do is simply tap on the login option. So you tap on the login option, you need to now enter your email address, mobile phone number or username and hit the next button. After you do so, type in your password of your account, and after filling in both the credentials, simply tap on the sign in option. Once you are done, you can get logged in into your account and you can get access to your Venmo. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.